Coming up in and around the city of Pattaya today and the coming week, this Friday the 5th of June, backed by popular demand, is a live performance by December Night. The show gets underway at 7:30 p.m, but it's worth arriving early if you'd like to get a good seat. That's happening at the Loft Pub out by the Mabprachan Lake. On Saturday the 6th of June, the Brew and Bar at the Holiday Inn will be hosting a matcha tasting and workshop. Guests can sample 3 different types of matcha, learn how to make 2 matcha drinks, take home your own matcha making equipment and powder, and enjoy a selection of desserts throughout the afternoon. Pre-booking is essential. The workshop runs from 2 till 4 p.m, and that costs 1,500 baht per person. Also this weekend, the Nong Nooch Gardens will be hosting the International Plant Expo, featuring an exhibition of some of Thailand's rarest and most exotic plants. The event runs daily from 8:30 a.m. through to 5 p.m, and that's until Sunday. The Central Mall, in collaboration with the Thai Red Cross Society, is holding a blood donation drive. That's on Tuesday, the 9th of June. All blood types are needed as supplies are running low. Donations can be made on the 6th floor of the mall between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. And over at the Terminal 21 Pattaya shopping mall, you can stay active by joining their Happy Aerobics sessions. That's every Tuesday and Thursday throughout the month of June. They're open to all fitness levels and a great way to get moving without spending a baht, as it's completely free. It's a busy weekend for sports fans too. Head down to Jomtien Beach this weekend for the 2026 Asian Rowing Beach Sprint Championships. The competition continues through to Sunday the 7th in front of the Divari Hotel. That's on Jomtien Beach Road. Spectators are welcome and admission is completely free. The 18th Futsal Pattaya Cup 2026 is also now underway at Pattaya City School number 7, with teams competing throughout the week. And looking ahead to next weekend, make a note of the Pattaya Regatta 2026. That's the city's annual sailing competition. That gets underway on Friday the 12th of June and continues through to Sunday the 14th, with 3 days of racing and activities taking place at the Jomtien Beach water sports area. For more details on these events and plenty more happening around the city, visit our events page over on our website, alwayspattaya.com.